Custom-built beautiful country retreat on over 8.5 acres, miles of countryside views from every window. Awesome floor plan offers grand 2-story living room west/gas fireplace and pillars, 2 main floor bedrooms, open kitchen west/pantry, first FL laundry, 3-bedroom up west/full bath, tons of storage in unfinished basement stubbed for bath for you to finish how desired, extra garage for all your toys. All set on dead-end quiet country road. 2-tiered low-maintenance decking west/backyard views. Easy access to main highways, close to Berlin and Omro area.